Today we're going to talk about Smart TV. What is Smart TV? It's basically the concept of hooking your television up to some sort of internet source to pull in content from outside places, YouTube, Netflix, maybe even a full-blown internet browser. You can get Smart TV by purchasing a TV with Smart TV connection built in. You can buy a companion box like Apple TV, Roku, Google TV, Boxy, some Blu-ray players. And then there's a new crop of Smart TV on a stick type devices, which are basically USB thumb drive size things that plug directly into the back of your TV into an open HDMI port, and many provide a full-blown Android experience. One of those companies is called Equiso, a Boston-based company I had a chance to sit down with to get a demo of how the technology works.
You know, we want to deliver a great experience at a great price. That's one of the biggest things that we want to do. We'll make it very simple. Here's the Smart TV, and all you have to do is just plug it into an HDMI port of a TV. So we'll plug it in right here. There we go. Now, if your TV supports MHL, that's all you have to do because your TV will automatically power it.
MHL stands for Mobile High Definition Link. It's a proposed industry standard wherein some current model TVs have HDMI ports capable of providing power to devices plugged into those ports.
If not, there's two ways you can power it. You can power it through a USB cord.
If you bought your TV recently, check the back to see if there's a USB port. A lot of times there's a USB port on back.
Or we'll have a power adapter you can power it through also.
Aside from the $69 price point, one of the Equiso's most intriguing features is its remote control. A Boxy style remote with simple functions on front and a keyboard on back.
It has the gyroscope built in, so you can move it left and right and it'll control the screen.
When I see you moving your hand back and forth, this is very very responsive.
It communicates wirelessly with the Smart TV, and the accelerometer pretty much just tells it you know, where to move and everything else like that. There we go. There we go. On the back are all the buttons for the keyboard. If you look, it has a full QWERTY keyboard right there. And you would think if there's a keyboard in the back, like you might accidentally press all the buttons. Well, when it's like this, the accelerometer detects it and actually shuts off the keyboard on the back. And then when on the keyboard part, you see how it's not moving the mouse anymore? So it shuts it off so you don't accidentally hit those keys. Browsing through web pages, hit page up, page down. Enter works normally. If you want to navigate left and right, you can do that also on this side of the remote.
Equiso isn't perfect yet. The biggest problem seems to be the sluggishness, though.
We're still working on making the system more responsive. We focus most of our time and effort on the hardware because we realize that once you put the hardware out, you can't have any bugs in there. So we said the software is a little bit different. So what we did is we automatically pre-program these things to have over-the-air updates. Once you actually get into your hands, by the time it's into your hands and you boot it up, there'll already be a new over-the-air update waiting for you with better software. Equiso Smart TV right now is on Kickstarter. We have it on there right now for $69 for the model that you see. It comes with the remote, comes with the Smart TV, and it helps us out to go ahead and put this in production.
Equiso is scheduled to launch in August. You can head over to the project's Kickstarter page for more information. There'll also be a couple other similar devices, the Pocket TV, and a Smart TV on a stick product from the popular Roku line slated to launch sometime this fall.